אחד ושמו אחד. שמע ישראל אדוני אלוהינו אדוני אחד. בעזרת השם. Let's do 2 halachot after Arvit, and we're going to say Kaddish al Israel. Chaber, so be patient 2 minutes. Mordechai, please, 2 minutes. So we have a mitzvah today, mitzvah number 71, mitzvah deoraita. Shelo lekalel anasi. There's a prohibition to curse a nasi, a prince. And over here, the Chachamim tell us, as the Torah tells us, v'nasi be'amecha lo ta'or. You cannot curse. Who is this nasi? We talk about a king, a melech. Melech over there, the time of the Mishnayot, and the time of the Gemara Nasi'im were the Shalshelet, the children of David Melech. The Hillel HaZaken was then go to Rabban Gamliel, that whole Shalshelet of Nasi. They had that status. So today, basically, if a city has a Rav, it's called the Rav who is the Parnas of the city. What's the Parnas of the city? The Rav who is completely in charge of halachot, completely in charge of Beit Din. He's judging between people. He has that role of a leader of that actually gives us obligation halakha to honor him as a nasi, even though he's a rabbi. But that tafkid that gives them that like in the olden days, especially in Spain, they had such a power. Rabbanim and Ben Ish Chai, they had so much power. These princesses, halachically, they were allowed to call. There's avera. If you moser somebody to go in.
What is moser?
Moser means you call on your neighbor, he's doing something illegal. And the police come or the city comes, this is called moser. He's chayav mita, according to halakha. If he's dying, if he is dying, you're not allowed to save him. This kind of person, okay? Now, however, if they're drowning, you're supposed to just walk away, don't even call help. Don't say anything, just go away. If a car is about to hit him, you say to the Rabbah, go by. That's halakha is, that this kind of people who are snitches, in Italian they say, snitches get stitches. So that's what Nasi, who Ben Ish Chai, what was his power? Ben Ish Chai says, Ben Ish Chai in Baghdad had a full power and a full right. The rabbis in the olden days, they had full right to call write a letter to the king, and the king sent the police officers. Any Jew who is misbehaving, they would give him lashes. And that's not called Mesirah because that's what the Markat Mardut. The rabbi had a power, not in America. The rabbi is the most Sephardi, most Sephardi towns, they had this power too, and that's not called Marshin, that's not called Moser, because that's the halakha. He has to teach people to follow the law. This is a nasi, so the Torah tells us anybody who curses him. What is a curse? Like we said yesterday, curse is not like let Bibi die. Saying let Bibi die, right? That's not a curse. But if you say May Yud Kei Vav Kei, you say the whole name, and now you're saying the name of a president or a nasi, and you say he should whatever, that's a curse. And that Asur. So again, Habibi, this is what we're talking about. That's why it's Asur. So why does the Torah tell us Asur? To get lashes, a person who does use Hashem's name to curse another Jew, he gets lashes. Whoever curses a Nasi gets 3 lashes. 3 times. He's a Nasi and he's a regular Jew and using Shem Hashem Furash. There's a whole thing over there. There's many things that he gets lashed. Number 72, one more, quickly, let's just finish the halakha. Number 72 tells us like this. We have a laws, deoraita, I said the other day. Today there is no mitzvah deoraita to give tzedakah. It doesn't exist. Never had and never will be. It's the Rabbanan. The Chachamim tell us if you want to keep your money, give charity. Like you give salt. When you put salt on meat, that preserves the meat. So same thing, charity. If you give 10%, you'll keep your charity, right? You'll give your money. And that will make sure your money don't get lost. If you give 20, that will make you richer. So that's the halakha in reference to the tzedakah. However, in mitzvah number 72, talking about masrot, utrumot, masrot, right? That's the oraita. So in the Torah, 72 tells us you must separate truma first, and only then you could separate maaser. But you cannot change maaser and then truma. Baruch Adonai Olam, amen. ואמן. רבי חניה בגלל שאומר, הצלחת לשמור כל זכות ישראל פתיחה, הם רבים, תומר, צדור, רוב מספד, שני מרדם פצפת צדקו, יגדיל תורה וידיר, על ישראל.